Hey guys, so mga ka-mindset, actually good morning and we're here dito sa Robinson's Gallery. So guys, we're here for the SEED4COM, no? And tutulungan po natin, we're going to make the solar lamps. Yes, with the help of course, yung pinakagwapo pareho ako. si JT and ano, So, good morning mga ka-mindset. We're actually here sa Robinson's Galleria, Cebu City, and we're going to have another beautiful vlog. This is very exciting guys because first of all, we're going to have a relief operations, food and water, and of course, solar lamps. This is for SEED4COM. I'm pretty sure that you are very excited na po guys. And welcome back to my channel. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, let's! Okay guys, so mga ka-mindset, actually good morning and we're here dito sa Robinson's Gallery. So guys, we're here for the SEED4COM, no? And tutulungan po natin, we're going to make the solar lamps. Yes, with the help of course, yung pinakagwapo pareho ako. si JT and ano, from Cordova. Right, and actually you have an organization, yes, which is the SEED4COM? SEED4COM. Okay. So guys, tuturuan po tayo guys paano gumawa ng solar lights or solar lamps. So ito po yun.
So ano siya itong mga components? The transistors, the LED, the diode, and the resistors. And then we have the lithium-ion battery, the electrical tape, the wire stripper, the cutter, and the solid lead. Then soldering lead and the soldering iron. So first step is i-bend niya siya ang kaning transistors into two. So ang siya ang forma. So i-bend dito sa pikas and then dire. Okay. Go sir. So yung siya ang ato ang forma na siya ang flat surface. So next is ato yung i-tap ang kaning diode. So sa diode na siya nga cathode and the anode. The anode is the gray band and the kaning top is ang cathode.
So if you'd like to know more on how to do a DIY na solar lamp, you may actually PM their Facebook page. And here is our finished product. Hey. So guys, mga ka-mindset, andito po tayo ngayon. Again, hindi po to boy band. Actually po, andito po tayo ngayon. We have the isang organization, SEED4COM, and they're actually helping out guys. People na we don't have electricity. They actually yun, and sa mga areas, pumupunta sila dito. Currently, we're here sa Robinson's Galleria. And we have a booth here. So, nakikita nyo, they're actually teaching me on how to make a solar light. No? Yun. So, actually, we have JP and Dwayne, volunteers. Both of you, volunteers. And they're actually from
Cordova.
Both of them are Cordova guys. They have different courses, pero they have passion in doing what they love doing. Ayun. So, can you please tell us, ilang years or months na kayo nag-volunteer dito sa SEED4COM?
Last year lang kami nagsimula na maging volunteer ng SEED4COM, then till now.
And you're currently a student? Both of you?
Yes, graduating students.
Ako third year.
Third year ako
Graduating student. So, bakit nyo naisipan na gusto nyo mag-volunteer dito sa SEED4COM specifically?
Just to help, like, people need help because we are blessed, so that's why we blessed others through this organization.
Very good. Okay, so GP, how were you able to know about SEED4COM?
Okay, so since I have a friend na he was also invited seminar about this like from DNR, so he invited me. Then they pass by the seminar has begun, then like we don't have any like clue sa ano ang mangyayari. So that's it. Then so we have seminars. We are having seminars like the eco bricks. They also present us this solar lamp baking. So yun naging like I think it really helps dyan sa mga samot na sa mga islands out there. So I have the eagerness, I have the determination to in the organization. So like till now I volunteered.
Laban. And how about you naman, Dwin?
So katulad ng sa kanya, so siya yung nag-invite sa akin. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin sa organization. Then doon na.
So talagang friends
Same
talaga
lang.
kayo?
We are youth. Yes, our church in the Cordova.
Okay. Kala ko
we're an
ML
active
players.
youth. We are an active youth. We have lots of organizations.
Okay.
Then like since we have the passion to have a community service, so like since this organization needs needs volunteers, so sumali kami, sir.
Very good, very good. So, yun. And how many volunteers do you have currently?
Like almost 50 or more than. Okay.
Dami, no? So,
Okay.
is it within Cebu City or within the whole Philippines?
Within the Cebu City lang, sir.
Ah.
Like some from Cordova, Lapu-Lapu. Okay. Like our the Negros. We already have trainings there in the Negros. We are the one who trained the seminarians, the people out there. Okay.
Galing, no? So, yun guys, ang dami natin natutunan. And so far, with how many months you started here being a volunteer, do you have any challenges dito?
Yes, like the transportation, the foods, and then we really need some money. Then like we're like students, so we don't have any income. I think money one of our struggles.
Time management.
Then time management, and since we have activities to do in our school, since also me like I am graduating student, so I really need to pass those activities. Okay, and so then also the household chores. Yes, I have a thing to do the house. I really need to manage my time. So that's it.
Okay. So Dwayne, sa about you naman, how were you able to, di ba kasi siyempre pareho lang kayo, no? Student. So mga challenges din. So how were you able to cope up with that? So talaga makapag-attend at maging volunteer pa rin.
So para sa akin, kanang chill lang. So not mean chill lang, walang ginagawa. So kanang yung time management ko, so kanang kinakasya ko talaga. So sa oras na to, umaga, ito gagawin ko. Nasa tanghali, lahit iba naman. So ganun lang. If kanang may vacant ako, so kanang if may vacant ako, wala akong ginagawa. So workout lang. Workout means kanang workout para maintain yung body.
Okay, yun. So guys, may natutunan kayo, time management.
Time management.
Mag-exam tayo later on. Ayun. So, yun. So, thank you very much for your time. And before anything else, please do invite our viewers for SEED4COM.
Okay, so SEED4COM needs a volunteer. So, if you really need, you have really time, or you have the eagerness or the determination to help, and render your service, you can just contact us in our page, SEED4COM page. Then also you can message Dan Diaz his FB page, FB. Then you can also visit us here at Robinson's Galleria, Cebu, where we will stop our program in January 11th. Okay.
Alright. So, what else do you need aside from what do donations they can help?
Okay, so you can also donate anything like clothes, cash, water, then foods. So yes, so we will donate this to the like different areas, different islands, also affected by the Typhoon Odette. Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. So guys, please do not forget to like and also follow and PM them if you do have inquiries about SEED4COM. If you have any donations, we do really appreciate it. I'll be putting the Facebook link of SEED4COM dito sa description box below. Okay, so mga ka-mindset, if you have donated already and you have the heart to help others, especially dito sa Cebuanos and other Filipinos na especially nasalanta sa Bagyong Odette, guys, please also share some of your posts if you have donated already, and please do not forget hashtag Hero of Light. Ma'am Kathy Chong.